That news just doesn't come across my desk until somebody like you covers it.
State lawmakers are responding to a Team 10 investigation that uncovered disturbing incidents at a state-licensed foster home. Good evening, I'm Steve Atkinson.
And I'm Kimberly Hunt. And Team 10 investigator Adam Rakusin spent months uncovering what happened at a foster home in the North County. And now the investigation could spread beyond just one home. Adam is joining us now live, and there are calls to see if there is a systemic issue now across our state. Adam.
Yeah, Kim, and here's State Senator Brian Jones' message. All taxpayers should be ticked off by this. Following our investigation into the death of a San Diego teen in foster care, Jones is asking for a state hearing to see how the law that created these specialized homes is working. In Los Angeles County, a staff member at a state-licensed home admitted to exchanging nude photographs with a child. State records from August of last year say the staff member also admitted to kissing that same child on 2 separate occasions, sexting and a sex act. Across the county, at another home, state records from September show sexual abuse between a staff member and child occurred multiple times on facility grounds. At that same facility, a drug overdose death. The truth about what happens in the child welfare system is open to the public, but you need to know where to look to find it. And experts say most people don't, so it stays buried.
The general public, they absolutely do not know what's going on with this.
Sean McMillan is an attorney that specializes in child welfare cases. He has several lawsuits that involve state-licensed short-term residential treatment facilities. Those homes are an updated version of a group home, but with fewer kids and focused on treatment and mental health services.
Cards that were sent.
McMillan represents Amanda Shane.
I'm going to miss him for the rest of my life. I'm going to miss him.
An autopsy report says Amanda's son Isaiah was found unresponsive in the bathroom of his group home and later died at the hospital from a drug overdose.
These group homes, they do have problems, they do have complaints, and the level of supervision that we see in our cases is not what you would expect.
Using the California Department of Social Services website, Team 10 looked through state investigation reports for short-term residential treatment facilities in several California counties for the past 2 years. We found documented examples of inappropriate relationships, drugs, staff members not background checked before starting, and staff mismanaging children's medications.
That ticks me off.
We showed what we found to California State Senator Brian Jones. He's the vice chair of the Senate Committee on Human Services with direct oversight of the foster system.
All taxpayers should be ticked off about this. The state pays a lot of money per kid to have them housed in these situations.
Following a Team 10 investigation, Jones is now calling for a formal legislative hearing into these state-licensed homes and the law that created them.
Because of what you guys are doing, now we're hearing about other problems around the state. And so we want to get a grip on this and find out what's going on.
We also showed our story to Assemblymember Mark Stone. He's the lawmaker behind the overhaul of the state's group home system.
Is it working as it was designed? I think by and part it is. And I know you do have some examples where there have been some challenges. And unfortunately, there always will be challenges.
Stone says the state has a responsibility to the kids, and evaluating every law is a part of that.
One of the things we have to be careful of is what are unacceptable isolated incidents and what are systemic problems. I'm always on the look for systemic problems. And if there are enough incidents, that tells me there's a systemic problem. I don't know yet that we have one. That's not to say the system can't be improved. Of course it can.
The state needs to roll out statewide changes.
And Jones says that hearing should happen after the legislature is back in session. That'll be next year. Adam Rakusin, ABC 10 News.